I was just a donkey
The story takes place in a fictional animal kingdom called Azad Nagar.
by the river. Life was simpler, it seemed.
Mangu, a humble and optimistic donkey, works as a washer in the town.
Rise above the bubbles and knock on destinies.
Despite his modest job, he dreams of greatness and longs for a life beyond his mundane existence.
But even the smallest voice can echo.
His clumsiness and innocence make him a lovable character among his peers. The current ruler, the wise and aging Lion King Badshah Khan, decides to retire. An election is held to choose the next king. However, the cunning and manipulative fox, Miss Fitna, sees an opportunity to gain power. She selects Mangu as a puppet candidate,
In her game, the plaything of queens and kings.
thinking she can easily control him. Mangu, unaware of her true intentions, accepts the chance to participate, thrilled at the idea achieving greatness.
They doubted my courage.
Mangu's unexpected victory. Through a series of comical and surprising events, Mangu's sincerity and charm win over the kingdom's citizens.
Would have guessed a crown on my head.
He is elected as the new king. However, as he takes on his duties, he finds himself under pressure from Miss Fitna, who begins to pull the strings behind the scenes.
For the kingdom, I'm here to stay.
As Mangu grows into his role, he starts realizing the challenges of leadership.
The jungle to the plains.
He begins to uncover the corruption and manipulation around him.
About the title, the road,
His journey transforms him from a naive dreamer into a courageous leader.
making it my own.
He learns the value of honesty, resilience, and standing up for what is right.
A crown on my head, a fire.
In the final act, Mangu confronts Miss Fitna and exposes her schemes.
But I proved them wrong. Now the king.
With clever thinking and the support of his fellow animals, he outsmarts her and brings justice to the kingdom.
So here's to the dreamers beyond.
This moment marks Mangu's true rise as a leader who represents fairness and unity.
Who see it through.
Mangu earns the respect of his people,
You believe in your heart.
proving that even the most unlikely individuals can achieve greatness with determination and integrity. The kingdom celebrates their new leader, and Mangu fulfills his dream in a way he never